Hey guys, so today I've got the next pink parcel to show you. This is March's pink parcel. Now, if you watch me usually, you know that I've been kind of like having a bit of a weird thing with pink parcel recently. Don't really know if I love it or not and if I want to cancel it, but I do quite like this box. So hopefully, fingers crossed, they are getting better. For anyone that's not seen it, this is what the new boxes look like inside. There is only 2 boxes and a little pouch now. There used to be 4 boxes back in the day when this first came out, so they're definitely downgrading, but we have a must box which has whatever you've ordered in there. We have a little for now bag. The for now bag does have the nighttime pads in it, like the large pads. They absolutely like pack this full now. This is why there is a box missing, because they've shoved it all in here. So there's some extra stuff in there, and then there is also the bigger ones, and obviously you can use this to like carry around in your bag or whatever. And then this box is now called Once. So like I said, I do quite like this one, so it's definitely getting better in my opinion. So the first thing we have is this, and the brand is What's In It For Me, and it's a body cleanser. It says aloe vera, witch hazel and grapefruit extract to cleanse, along with peppermint and rosemary oil to invigorate the skin and body. So this is a 50ml one, and oh, it's got a little seal on it. Let's see if it smells of anything. Oh, it smells very grapefruity, which I like. I really like when things smell like fruity and fresh, so that's pretty cool. I will definitely use that. Then the next thing we have is this, which is Dr. Botanical's Moroccan Rose Superfood Facial Oil. I'm pretty sure we have had this before, unless I maybe got it in a different box. This is what the packaging looks like, and this is the little bottle inside. The only thing I've noticed about these boxes since they've changed is that there's no longer a book in here which tells you about the items. You used to get like a little leaflet that told you the price of things, so now you don't really know how much anything is anymore. But if I did get this in a pink parcel before, I feel like I remember it being quite expensive. Not something I will use because my skin is the worst at the moment. It smells like really floral and nice, but I just won't use it. I actually went for a carbon laser facial thing yesterday, like zaps your face to try and get rid of some of my spots. So hopefully that works a little bit, but I just won't risk using anything like this on my face. So that's fair enough, that's not their fault. Then we have this, which is Phase Zero Makeup, and it's a little like eyeshadow pan, very metallic kind of light browny colour, and it's in the colour Ballet Slipper. So I'll get this out. My only issue with this is that it is just a pan. It's not in any packaging or anything, so you would definitely have to have like a palette to put these in. However, if this was something that they sent all the time, like different ones, I would definitely get a little palette to stick these in. Let's have a see. It is a really nice colour. It's a lot paler than I thought it would be. It's kind of like a champagne sort of colour. There we go. So there is that. Then our little treat for the month is this, which is Squirrel Sisters Natural Energy Bar ×2. So there must be 2 little mini ones in here. And it's a cocoa brownie, so no sugar, raw, vegan and gluten free. 82 calories per bar. That's quite a lot, I feel like, because that means there's like 160 something in this little thing. But I am going to open it and have a look, because I'll probably eat this later, I'm not going to lie. I keep looking at myself on camera and I feel like I look really weird, because I've had my hair cut today, and I'm not used to it being like so short and stuff, but... Oh, you know what? I have had these before and they are not the best. Okay, so they look like this. It's not a brownie at all. It's like this raw like nutty bar thing. It's okay, but to me they always taste of raisins. Yep, one of the main ingredients, dates and currants. I just really hate raisins. I don't know what it is. When I saw this I thought it was going to be a brownie, like a cake, but I'm not sure about that. But at least it's a good sized snack for once, instead of those teeny little chocolates. At least this is something like, it's vegan so everyone can have it, it's gluten free so everyone can have it, and it is like a, you know, an okay size. So that's our snack. Then we have this. You know what, looking at it, I think this is a box of stuff again that we've had before, because I've definitely had all of these items before. However, I don't hate it. Like, at least they're good items, and if you didn't used to get this box and you've never had these things before, then it definitely is an okay box. So this is 100% ground coffee in a bag. Basically it's like a tea bag but coffee. Did get one of these before and actually ripped it by accident, so the coffee went everywhere and I never got to use it properly. But I absolutely would definitely prefer to have coffee in these boxes than green tea. I don't really like the tea that they send. The tea is usually like really weird flavours, but I would definitely have the coffee. So I appreciate this and I will definitely use this. I will have that later. Then we have this, which is Skin Chemist London Rose Quartz Youth Defence Lip Plump. So this is a little plump stuff with peppermint oil in it. It says it makes them look plumper and smoother. Now, I have got like sparkly Jeffree Star lipstick on, but I'll just put a bit on and show you. Again, had this before. It didn't really do anything last time. It looks like this. It's like clear kind of, with a bit of a pink, like iridescent-y shimmer in there. Smells of peppermint, taste of peppermint. It's not crazy spicy. Sometimes you put these on and they're like so spicy strong that it hurts. It's not like that, this one. It's just kind of like a lip gloss with that a little tinge of peppermint to it, so I'll definitely use it. It's not like, you know, anything that I won't be able to use, so that is cool. And then the very last item in here is these, which are always helpful, always handy. It's a Magnetone London Wipeout microfiber cleansing cloth. So basically this removes your makeup just with water. It's like a little flannel. Looks like this, like a little fluffy square. One side is shorter fur and the other side is a longer fur. Literally, you dunk it in water, it takes all your makeup off. I don't really know how it does it, because it literally takes like waterproof makeup off and everything, and even some makeup wipes that you buy don't do that for me. So don't know how they do that, but they are really good and they're handy to just like throw in your bag and carry around in case you need it one day, or like if you're going staying somewhere for a couple of days, you don't have to take like a whole pack of wipes. You can just take this with you and reuse it over and over. So they are definitely handy to have, even if you've got a few, you know, you can wash one and have a fresh one and whatever. So again, like I said, had one of these before, but not going to complain about it because it's a handy thing to get. So that was everything in Pink Parcel for this month. Like I said, looking on it now, I think when I first opened this I was like, oh, this is a really good one, but looking at it I think I have had everything in this box, maybe minus the eyeshadow and maybe minus the cleanser. I'm not sure I've had those two before, but everything else I have had. But I do think it's getting better. Like I said, if you hadn't had this box before and this was your first one, I think this is a pretty good one. Well, I paid £10 for it because I've had it for like years, but I think now it's maybe £12 or something like that. So to get all your like feminine period stuff and this as well, I think that's a pretty good price for this box personally. But let me know what you think, because I know some of you started to really dislike Pink Parcel as well. But just as a quick overview, we have the little Wipeout makeup remover flannel, the Lip Plump, the coffee tea bag thing, the weird little healthy cocoa brownie bar, the body cleanser, the facial oil, and this cute little eyeshadow pan. So all of this with your feminine items for £10 to £12, pretty good in my opinion. I'm pretty sure, if I remember this Dr. Botanicals thing, I'm sure this was like definitely over £10 on its own, so quite a good box, like I said, in my opinion. And let me know what you think about this one. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video anyway, and if you did, then please subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.